In the competitive world of Amazon FBA, having the right tools can make all the difference in your success. Two of the most popular software solutions for Amazon sellers are Helium 10 and Jungle Scout. Both offer a suite of features designed to help sellers with product research, keyword optimization, and overall business management. But which one is right for you? In this comprehensive analysis, we'll compare Helium 10 and Jungle Scout across several key factors to help you make an informed decision. One, overview. Helium 10, an all-in-one software suite that offers a wide range of tools for Amazon sellers. From product research to keyword tracking, inventory management, and listing optimization, Helium 10 provides everything you need to streamline your FBA business. Jungle Scout, often considered the pioneer in Amazon product research, has evolved into a comprehensive tool for Amazon sellers. It offers features such as product research, sales analytics, keyword tracking, and supplier databases aimed at helping sellers find profitable products and optimize their listings. 2. Product research. Helium 10, their black box tool, allows users to filter products based on various criteria, such as sales volume, price, and review count. It also provides a Trendster feature to analyze historical sales data and spot trending products. Jungle Scout, their product database and opportunity finder tools, help users discover profitable products by filtering through millions of items on Amazon. It also offers a Chrome extension that provides real-time data on product sales, reviews, and pricing directly from the Amazon website. Winner, tie. Both Helium 10 and Jungle Scout offer robust product research tools, each with unique features that cater to different user preferences. 3. Keyword research and optimization. Helium 10, the Cerebro and Magnet tools are designed for comprehensive keyword research. Cerebro allows users to reverse engineer competitor ASINs to find high-ranking keywords, while Magnet helps discover new keywords to optimize your listings. Jungle Scout, Keyword Scout tool, provides keyword suggestions, search volume estimates, and PPC costs, enabling sellers to find and rank for the best keywords in their niche. Winner, Helium 10. With tools like Cerebro and Magnet, Helium 10 offers more in-depth keyword research and optimization capabilities. 4. Listing optimization. Helium 10 offers tools like Scribbles and Index Checker to help sellers optimize their product listings. Scribbles ensures that your listings are keyword-rich and comply with Amazon's guidelines, while Index Checker verifies that your products are indexed for the right keywords. Jungle Scout provides a listing builder tool that helps sellers create optimized product listings by integrating keyword data and suggesting improvements. Winner, Helium 10. The combination of Scribbles and Index Checker provides a more comprehensive approach to listing optimization. 5. Inventory management. Helium 10, H10's inventory management tool, helps sellers keep track of their stock levels, forecast future inventory needs, and avoid stockouts or overstock situations. It also provides insights into inventory performance and sales trends. Jungle Scout, their inventory manager, offers similar features such as inventory tracking, demand forecasting, and reorder alerts to help sellers maintain optimal stock levels. Winner, tie. Both Helium 10 and Jungle Scout provide effective inventory management solutions. 6. Pricing and plans. Helium 10 offers various pricing plans ranging from a free tier with limited features to a platinum plan at $99 per month, a diamond plan at $249 per month, and custom enterprise solutions. Each plan includes access to different sets of tools, with higher tier plans offering more advanced features and greater usage limits. Jungle Scout. Pricing starts with a basic plan at $39 per month, a suite plan at $69 per month, and a professional plan at $129 per month. It also offers a Chrome extension for a one-time fee of $39. Each plan includes different levels of access to its suite of tools, with the higher-tier plans providing more extensive features and support. Winner: Jungle Scout. Jungle Scout's pricing is generally more affordable, especially for new sellers or those on a tight budget. 7. User interface and ease of use. Helium 10. The interface is comprehensive but can be overwhelming for new users due to the sheer number of tools and features. However, once users become familiar with the platform, they can navigate and utilize its tools effectively. Jungle Scout is known for its user-friendly interface, making it easy for beginners to get started. Its intuitive design allows users to quickly access and utilize its various tools. Winner: Jungle Scout. Jungle Scout's simpler and more intuitive interface makes it easier for new users to navigate and use the platform effectively. 8. Customer support and resources. Helium 10 offers extensive customer support, including a knowledge base, webinars, video tutorials, and a user community. It also provides email and live chat support for its users. Jungle Scout provides a wealth of resources, including a comprehensive knowledge base, webinars, video tutorials, and a responsive customer support team available via email and live chat. Winner: Tie. Both Helium 10 and Jungle Scout offer robust customer support and educational resources to help users make the most of their tools. Conclusion: both Helium 10 and Jungle Scout are powerful tools for Amazon sellers, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Helium 10 is ideal for sellers who need comprehensive keyword research, listing optimization, and a wide range of tools for different aspects of their business. Jungle Scout is more user-friendly and affordable, making it a great choice for beginners or those on a budget. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs, budget, and preferences. Many sellers find value in using both tools to leverage the unique features each offers. Whichever you choose, investing in a high-quality software solution is a crucial step towards building a successful Amazon FBA business.